So next one is that we have to see that the some properties and the methods of a string. Okay, so first one is that the immutability. Strings are not mutable, means you cannot use the indexing to change the individual element of a string. Okay, so remember this thing. See here one example. If name equal to ABC, okay, I can run this. See here my output is that the ABC, but if you try to assign the 0th index is equal to P, okay, then if you try to run this, then see here the errors, because strings are the immutable. String objects does not support item assignment. Okay, so this is the error. That's why string is the immutable. Okay, so next one is that name. Then you will try to print the 1 colon. Okay, means starting from 1 to end. So my first position character is that the B, so B to last means the B to C. Output is that the BC. Okay, so I have to assign this to one variable, that is the last LTR is equal to name 1 colon. Okay, shift enter. Then if you try to print this variable, then my output is that the BC. Okay, so in Python, plus operator is used for the concatenation of a two string. Okay, so this is the another use of a plus operator. We have already seen that the plus is used to addition of a two number, but in string format, plus is used to concatenation of a two string. Okay, see here one example. See here A plus last letter. Okay, so last letter is that the BC. Here we can concat by using the plus operator. My new string is that the A. So A concat to BC, my answer is that the ABC. Okay, see here 2 plus 3, my answer is that the 5. If both the values are in the integer, then plus can perform the addition operation. But if both the operator is in the string, then it can perform the concatenation operator, means that the 23. But if you try to use the one integer and the one string, let's see here what is the result. This is the error, unsupported operand type plus. Okay, so plus is used in between two numbers or in between two strings. Okay, not using in between the one number and the one string, because the error will be generated. Okay, now star have one more used like the plus. Okay, so we have to see that star is used to multiplication of two numbers, but in string star is used to create the repetition of a string. Okay, see here, if my value is equal to n, okay, and see here value into 10, into means that the star. See here my output is that the n is 10 times. Asterisk symbol is used by using two ways. First one is that the multiplication of two number, and second way is that if you have to use in a string, then they can repeat the string for that number. Okay, so next one is that if I can assign the hello world string to X, okay, now if you can use X and you can press here dot, okay, then if you can press the tab button, then all the built-in functions which are available in a Python related to string is shown in this drop down box. Okay, so here we have to use some of them. Now we have to convert this string into uppercase as well as lowercase. See here I can use the function upper, then shift enter. My output is that the hello world is in uppercase. Same here, X dot lower, my answer is that hello world is in lowercase. also x dot split. So split means that create a list of a string, means that everything is split by the space. Okay, space is the by default. So here hello and the world. So the two strings which are splitted by using the space, and it is converted into the list. Okay, but if you want to split this string by using the another character, see here x dot split, here I can pass the one more character is that L. Okay, then see here my answer is that HE, then empty, then O, WOR, D. Okay, is that they remove all the L and get everything onto next L, because it's splitting on them and white space are included. Okay, see here my first splitting is that the HE. Okay, here L is removed. Next L to L there is a no string, so my second string is that the empty. So second L to third L, so in that between my string is that the O space WOR. So this is my another string, and by using last L to end means that the D is the last string. Okay, so you have to also used by using the another characters. Okay, so these are the some built-in functions which are available in a string. Okay, so students, try this on your the machine. If you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box. Likes and subscribe this channel. See you on next video. Thank you.